She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel?
I wanted this to be like a chatty get ready with me, but I can't just because I am running late. So I'm just going to do my makeup, and if you have any comments about what I'm using or any questions whatsoever, let me know down below in the comment section and I will respond to you guys. I'm going to go in with the MAC Strobe Cream just to prep my skin.
And that's the reason I'm a bummer. Well, it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive.
I have a mirror here, so just excuse me if I'm looking in a completely different direction. For foundation, I'm going in with my NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, and I'm in the shade Iguaku. Okay, I'm not using this foundation just because I can barely get anything out. I'm going to scrape the remainder of the foundation I've got in my NARS Radiant Longwear foundation in the same shade.
Keep it going. How does it feel to be alive? Let me break it down till it feel right. How does it feel? I'm so aligned and it's so that when I'm still can't get a vibe. I wait me too many get a line. I ain't getting control. It's the flu.
For concealer, I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut and my Hourglass concealer in the shade Umber.
I beat the boss that paid the price. Get up off my balls, I said it nice. Get up off that wall and change your life. Take you to paradise.
And I'm also going to be using a Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Ganache to contour with. So for setting powder, I'm going in with the same setting powder I use all the time. This is the Huda Beauty one in the shade Kunafa. I'm going to bronze my face using the Morphe Glam Bronze in the shade Prodigy. The dress I'm wearing is very low cut, so I need to make sure that my makeup actually comes blend down to my neck, or else I'm going to look extremely strange. Just to blend this all together, I'm going to put a bit of face powder on, and this one I'm using is from Chanel, and it's the Poudre Universelle Libre, and this is the shade 121.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary.
I kind of want to brighten up my under eye, so I'm going to go with an under eye powder. The under eye powder I'm going to use is from Huda Beauty as well. It's their Easy Bake and Snatch powder, and this is also in the shade Kunafa.
I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no.
wipe my lips off and then I'm going to do my lips and brows and stuff. Okay, so I wiped off my lips, put some, what's it called? Lined my lips with pencil and did my brows. I use the same pencil for my brows for my lips as I always do. I'm just going to quickly unpin these curls and then I can sort that out after. Yeah, that's fine. I would use a comb, but literally my comb is other side of my room. Very cute. Right, so for lips, I always do the same lip combo pretty much. I'm going to be using a pink gloss. This one's by Ted Baker. Use that in the middle. And then I'm just going to put a bit of glitter everywhere just because I'm not really feeling for eyeshadow. I'm using this palette by MAC. It's quite an old palette. It's their Star Dipped Face Compact in Medium Deep. I almost forgot about blush and that would have upset me. So I'm going to layer my blush today. So I'm going to use, first of all, a cream blush, and this one's by Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade Summer Wine. If I don't do this, by the time I get into that restaurant, you won't see it. So I've got to be heavy-handed. And then just to set that in place, I'm using my Dior blush in the shade Rosy Glow. If I can open it. It's this shade. And just to blend that, I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge again and just blend that out. Yeah, I love it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on my outfit and then I'm going to show you the final look. Okay, so I've got my dress on. I just need to oil up because I'm looking a tad bit dry. So I'm just going to put this on here. That's perfect. Oh, sorry, my nephew's watching some TV show and it's just really loud. So this is the dress I'm wearing. I'm sorry I can't show you the full length, but it's like this from the back. For shoes, I'm going to be wearing these Burberry heels. And I'm just going to pair it with a matching bag. I feel like I don't know, like I tried it on and it worked. This is it basically. I'm very happy. I'm sorry it's a bit rushed, but honestly I'm going to be late and I don't want to be late for my reservation. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.